morning. What can you tell them?
Subscribe to the channel.
What do you say?
Good morning.
Good morning. What are we doing?
I'm busy
Pumping up tires.
and busy.
Yep, pumping up tires and hanging out.
Daddy.
Got a very, very, very late start today. It is 9:20. Silas didn't want to go to bed. Silas slept in, which is fine. We've got one to swap out right by the Tractor Supply. Yep, right there in Monk's Corner, Goose Creek, next in, kind of right by the house. I guess it's not Goose Creek. And then we've got a pickup way out on Wadmalaw Island.
That's my dumpster.
It is your dumpster. That I don't know if that's going to happen today. I called him this morning at 7:30 and said, just want to double check with you. I've got it on the schedule for pickup. I think I woke him up and he said, oh, yeah. I said, all right. I said, well, we need to get paid. Oh, so he wants a late afternoon pickup. I don't know if that's going to happen. I'll be honest with you. I don't have it going out tomorrow. I do have another 25 that needs to get picked up tomorrow. Silence went behind a dumpster. Let's go scare him. What are you doing?
Over here.
Where?
Over here.
Yeah. We're gonna take this one.
Then we're gonna take a photo up there.
Yeah, come on. He wants a late pickup. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Tanner's got Cub Scouts tonight. I got enough stuff around here to do. I need to figure out what I'm doing with these trailers. I like having a backup, I really do, but I don't know. This one hasn't moved in a month. I haven't needed it, but it hasn't moved in a month. And this one, that's going to be the first one that goes to the shop with the brake issue. I bought that trailer for two reasons. Number one, I needed a backup so I could get this one fixed. However, it's been a month and I haven't done anything. The other reason is to show a late end of the year purchase. But I'm not exactly sure how they're going to look at it. The paperwork shows that it was purchased the last day of 2023. However, the check never came out of the business account until into the January. So is it really going to help me? Stop. Leave the tarp alone. Is it really going to help me in 2023, or is it going to hurt me for 2024? Should I simply just sell it? The trailers have always, I know we've always been looked at a little different when we have both of the, when we've been running the trailers, is all your big trucks are kind of like, oh, look at you guys, oh, taking this. Hey, go run some energy out or do something.
What?
Go run some energy out. Go run. Just because, Silas. But, you know, it works. Berkeley is an absolute disgust fest this morning. Something rubbed. There it is right there. Big old hunk of metal under the truck. This is ridiculous. Like, I don't know if y'all can see this or not. You got one guy way up yonder pushing, and this guy is just sitting here in the dozer. This is disgusting. No room for anybody. Oh, this is ridiculous. Oh yeah, that's wedged up in there. Oh, this is ridiculous. Absolutely.
Put down.
Silas, I need you to please sit down. Right now is not the time to be dealing with you not wanting to buckle. Should be straight through. Oh yeah, up in the truck. Oh, fantastic. Oh, fantastic. This is ridiculous. Guys over there moving a tire off of a pile instead of pushing stuff. No sense complaining. Falls on deaf ears around here. People in the scale house get the brunt of the complaints. It's not like they can do anything. Hail! It's only money, folks. Grows on trees, don't you know? This new remote that Richard put on, I'm gonna try changing the batteries on it. Just seems to be running slower than normal. That's right, go way over yonder and push crap when this here is nowhere near ready to go. Such a mess. I don't even have to say anything, and the guy up in there is complaining. The door's wide open. And he works for Berkeley County. Man, this is rough.
Man, this is terrible.
They don't care.
It was all right last week. I don't know what happened this week.
Well, they got the one guy sitting up yonder just pushing, and I see the new road they've got going in, which is telling me we're going to be up there pretty quick.
Yeah.
But I mean, if they were to push far enough back that we weren't driving over everybody's crap, I wouldn't complain. But I just got a piece of metal stuck up in the frame rail. They don't care about that.
Right.
You call Allen and, oh, well, we blow tires too. But you're a county government You call and say, hey, I need an order of 100 tires. It just shows up. I'm a small business. I don't have that. Whatever. Whatever. It's only money. Grows on trees, my man. Drive safe. I don't know who that is. I've never met him before, so I figured we'd keep him off of camera. All right, I need you to sit down, please. He works for Berkeley County, and he's complaining about the conditions. Pretty sure with that bump that the trailer just hit, it's empty. The batteries, I'm gonna try to swap these things out. Might run a little bit quicker. Part of me wants to be a dick and drive up on their new road and turn around, but I won't. We'll go to the back roads here and we'll kick back around, and I'm not gonna drive back up on top of there. Tire pressure on the back passenger has been low. It's been giving me problems. When I just pulled in to dump, it was at 64 and it's down to 61. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. Today may be a good day to go back and have the tire fixed. Might take this back to the yard, drop it off. We might do that, now that I say that. It just dropped down to 60, so. Just got a hole in it. Oh, I don't want to get nasty. Oh. I'm gonna stop and get some diesel. Told Silas we would stop and get Waffle House, but I'm gonna run up and grab some money from a client first.
And get diesel.
And get diesel. I may have hinted in the video this morning.
I don't see your dump.
Yeah, I don't see it either. We're on the back road. May have hinted on the video this morning that we're gonna end up going through and getting this truck fixed with the service engine light, check engine light. So those parts were ordered. Stay in the truck and buckle, please. Those parts were ordered. Should hopefully be here this week. They said allow 1 to 2 business days, so we ordered it Saturday. Figure it'll probably ship out on Tuesday or Wednesday. Said 2 to 3 days shipping, so hope it gets here Friday. The guys can go through and work on it. Friday. What's going on with this? Friday night, Saturday morning. Try to get it fixed. Didn't want to spend the money on it. It's gonna sound better. It's gonna give some more power and some more oomph. But something we had wanted to do, just didn't think I was gonna have to do it. It's either do that or have Ford put a whole new DEF system on the truck. They gave me an off-the-wall price on it, and I about fell over. So we're gonna go through, and truck's gonna go on a diet. Huh? Trailers and shipping boxes and default. Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil. Oh, this isn't good. This isn't good at all. Speed limited to 50 miles an hour and 49 miles. right, we're back at the yard. It's been an interesting morning. I could have just waited, I guess. Could have waited to get you guys. Got some issues going on with the truck. Obviously, I was mid-conversation with you and you could hear the truck screaming at me. We've got a service engine light on, and you want to put it down?
Yeah.
All right, are you standing up?
Up.
Okay, hit that button right there. Right underneath the red. Got a service engine light on, and the codes that it's throwing deal with the DPF system. The diesel particulate filter and the diesel exhaust system, the DEF system. So I went to my normal mechanic. He's not there, but there's nothing that he can do. I've got another gentleman that I called out. I think that phone is ringing. It's gonna have to wait. Out in Monk's Corner, and I'm gonna run the truck to him. He thinks he can force a regen on it, which I think is what it needs, at least right now. And the truck is going on a diet. I ordered the delete kit for it. So truck is okay, good job. Truck is hopefully going to sound better and have more power and get away from all that extra junk. So I knew at some point we were going to have to do it. I really was not looking forward to it, simply because I didn't want to spend the money on it. The truck is stock, aside from going up on tire size. Whoa! Stop! Aside from going up on tire size, the truck is stock, and it's worked. Everything about it has worked until now. So I'm gonna shut this off. We're done with this for today. I was going to drop this at the yard, but thank you. Buckle.
Why are you not going to drop the trailer off?
Because Silas?
What?
Silas?
What?
Silas?
What?
Silas, did you help yourself to some gum in my truck?
No, I didn't eat it.
I know, but you took it. What is this?
Gum?
That's gum. The gum was hot.
Yeah.
It's spearmint. It's not hot. Yeah. So Richard's here with his diesel mechanic working on his truck. I'll call you. Thank you. His big truck is down, but we're gonna run up here and see what the guy can do. It may just be a particulate filter that needs to get cleaned out. I don't know. I'm not a mechanic, and I'm gonna see what he has to say. I am 100% putting my trust in this guy. So I am glad that we don't have a lot on the schedule today. I'm very glad for that, because otherwise I would be 100% up a creek without a paddle. So we'll see what he says and kind of go from there. But yeah, I think we're going to end up running today's video and tomorrow's video together, because I definitely don't have enough content for a video today. But there is a video that should be out right now that's like an hour and a half long. So maybe we will sit at the mechanic shop and watch that. But I'm gonna pull in here. You want Burger King or Arby's?
Arby's.
Arby's, okay. Just not thinking he was gonna say that. So I'm gonna hit Arby's, get him some curly fries and get him some stuff real quick, and we're gonna head to Monk's Corner. So we may be back with you later, but if not, we will we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
I don't know.
Alright. We're home. It's almost 4 o'clock. Tanner has Cub Scouts tonight. We have spent the last wait, car. 30 minutes. Come here. Come here, hen. We spent the last 30 minutes at the fabricator, kind of talking to them with what I want to do, and spent 45 minutes prior to that trying to get the code reset on the truck, which it reset itself, and then went back to interesting. Then went back to the check engine code again. So at least it's not in limp mode, but we'll deal with all that later. So we're home. Gonna have some dinner before we go to Scouts tonight. And pest control came, and there's a package for Elizabeth. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night.